Battery life is one area where Samsung has not been that good. Despite having one of the biggest battery sizes out there on the flagships, they still can't beat iPhone's smaller 4300 mAh cell. Today's leak confirms that Samsung is indeed working on a major breakthrough that, combined with the best hardware, could bring the best battery life on any Galaxy flagship ever. After the LTPO refresh rate technology, where the display drops to 1 Hz from 120 Hz, this could be Samsung's next level. Introducing multi-LTPO display tech. This was revealed in Samsung's official patent, where a display can have multiple refresh rates on different areas of the screen at the same time. What this means is that one part of the screen which is in use can be 120 Hz, while other areas can drop to 30 Hz or even below than that while you are actively using the display. This simply wasn't possible with the current LTPO display tech. If this is done right, then we're definitely going to see an improvement in the battery life. A display on a phone is one of the most battery hungry component out there, so if Samsung can make their displays even efficient with the high refresh rate, then it's going to be a big win. If Samsung succeeds in time, then we might see this introduction on the Galaxy S23 series. Now, the second big thing is the processor. As we know, Samsung quit Exynos in order to give fans what they deserve, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. We have some more positive insight on what you can expect from the next big thing from Qualcomm. According to Iceverse, Qualcomm is working day and night seriously hard on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It could be their most power efficient chip in history. Like I said, Qualcomm is at a point where Samsung had to step down from their Exynos stuff and let them take all the S23 models in all regions, ending Exynos in the process. Samsung is letting Qualcomm handle those CPU related breakthroughs while they focus on the next gen display tech, which, like I said, if it's ready on time, could debut on the Galaxy S23 series. Now lastly, Samsung's One UI 5.0 beta forum is now officially open, meaning the update that we all want to see may not be that far. With that being said, I've been getting a lot of messages that, oh, we were expecting the beta to come out at the end of July. Well, things can change. It seems like Samsung is taking more time with the release of Android 13. Maybe they changed their plans and we might see the One UI 5.0 beta coming out after the Unpacked event. Hopefully, we'll be seeing this update very soon. So that's all the latest news. The Galaxy S23 news is now coming out quite a bit, so make sure to stay tuned on the channel, subscribe for all the daily updates. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.